Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. So today's recipe, we are going to be making chicken with a mushroom gravy. So before we get into today's recipe, I want to thank all my subscribers, my new viewers, returning viewers, for all of y'all. I really do want to thank you for the support that y'all have given my channel. So now that that's out of the way, let's grab our ingredients, get our aprons, and let's get started. For our chicken with mushroom gravy, we're going to need chicken thighs, oil, onion, mushrooms, garlic, fresh thyme leaves, chicken broth, low sodium soy sauce, cornstarch, and salt and pepper. So we've added our chicken to a bowl, and what we need to do is we need to season it up with some salt and pepper. And we're going to do roughly about a tablespoon. And I'm using some coarse ground pepper. And we're going to give this a quick toss. Make sure we get our salt and pepper on all sides of our chicken, because we want it really seasoned well. So now that we've got our chicken seasoned up, we're going to move it over to the stove. In a large dish skillet, I've got some oil that's heating up over medium-high heat. So to this, we're going to add in our chicken, and we want to put this in skin side down, because we want to try and get a nice crispy skin on this. And we're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes per side. So we've removed our chicken and set it to the side. And to our drippings and oil, we are going to add in our onions and mushrooms. And we are going to cook this until our onions are soft, which is going to be probably about 5 to 7 minutes. As you can see, our onions have started to soften. So to this, we are going to add in our minced garlic, fresh thyme, and a little bit more salt. And we're going to let this cook for about a minute. Our garlic and thyme have been cooking for about 2 minutes. So to this, we have combined our chicken broth and our soy sauce together. And what we're going to do, we're going to dump in about 3/4 of it and give this a good stir and let this come up to a light boil or light simmer. Alright, so our gravy has come up to a light simmer, and so what we have done is to the remaining beef broth we had, beef broth and soy sauce we added our cornstarch and made a cornstarch slurry, which is what we're going to use to thicken up our gravy. And we're going to mix this up, make sure it gets completely combined. And now we're going to add our chicken back in, including any drippings that are in the bowl. And then we're going to let this come back up to a simmer, and then we're going to let it cook covered for about 20 minutes. Okay, so this has been cooking for about 20 minutes. And now we're going to check our chicken to make sure its internal is right. Got a 175 on that one. 174 there. 178, so it looks like we are good. And I did add a little bit extra chicken chicken broth to mine because my gravy was getting a little bit too thick. And so, you know, if you find yours is getting too thick, add a little gravy to it, or if it's too thin, you can just cook it uncovered for about 5-10 minutes for it to thicken up. So now we're going to get this plated up so we can get something to eat. All right, so we have some mashed potatoes to go with this, and if you like, you can do rice as well, but I'm a big carb guy, and I just, you know, what can you say about mashed potatoes? So we're going to get us a nice thigh here. Then we're going to get us some of this gravy. Try not to make a mess. And there we go. So now we're all plated up. All right, everybody. So let's give this a taste test. So I love the gravy. And the chicken is just falling off the bone. And of course, mashed potatoes make it all better. So good. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. And as always, new videos are published every week. So I want to thank all of my subscribers and viewers for all the support that you have given my channel over the years. And as always, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. And until next time, I'm going to finish off this bowl.